Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check storage on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do that, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings we want to scroll down, and then we need to go to device care over here. And here we can find some information about our storage immediately. On the right side we can see how much space we have taken and how much we have in total. And we can also tap on the storage in order to find even more information. So first we have the information about the internal storage, which is of course the storage of our device. We can see how much space is taken and what takes that space. We can also tap show more in order to find even more information. We can also swipe to see our SD card information, so if you use memory card then you can check that over here as well. And besides that, at the bottom over here we have some options that we can use, like we can go to trash, we can see unused apps, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!